Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a full guide on how to fix Gumroad payout not received issues in 2026. Yeah, if you're a creator and your earnings haven't reached your bank account or payment service, don't worry, this guide will help you resolve it quickly because, honestly, delayed payouts can be stressful when you rely on Gumroad for your income. So first, double-check your payout settings. Make sure your bank account, PayPal, or Stripe information is accurate and up to date. Even a small mistake in account numbers, email, or routing info can block payments. Next, verify your account verification status. Yeah, Gumroad may hold payouts if your identity verification or tax information isn't complete, so check your dashboard and submit any required documents. After that, consider the payout schedule. Gumroad processes payments weekly or monthly depending on your settings, and weekends or holidays can delay transfers. So make sure your payout date has passed before worrying. Also, check for payment holds or errors. Yeah, sometimes payouts are delayed due to failed bank transfers, insufficient funds, or technical issues. So review any notifications in your Gumroad account. And yeah, try contacting Gumroad support if everything seems correct. So they can provide details about your specific payout, resolve technical problems, or advise on next steps. Finally, most of the time, following these steps ensures your payouts are processed smoothly and reach your account without issues. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next